everyone, Nancy Allen here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing code for July 2020. Well, we've been on lockdown for a few months now, and I'm amazed at the amount of making it up as we go along that's going on. So how can you tell the truth from a lie? There's a very distinct difference between truth energy and lie energy. Some of the people giving us instructions are knowingly feeding us a load of crap, and you can feel it in your gut. The problem I see us facing is that well-meaning people giving us information truly believe what they're imparting to us, and therefore their message has truth energy on it, even if what they're saying now turns out to be total BS. So how are we supposed to navigate all the conflicting information that seems to flip-flop on a daily basis? When it comes right down to it, given the same situation, your truth may be very different than another person's truth. So this month we'll be running a code to assist us with boosting our ability to tell truth from a lie for ourselves. So here we go. Here's the request. Is there an assisting frequency for highest good that will clarify our ability to tell truth from a lie as it relates to ourselves? And the code that came up is from the Anahata Codes, and it is the Walnut Flower Essence. Okay. So what do we know about Walnut Flower Essence? Well, the positive qualities are freedom from limiting influences. That's good. Making healthy transitions in life. Again, good. Inner strength to follow one's own path and destiny. Very good one and relevant to our topic. Now, patterns of imbalance that the Walnut Flower Essence addresses are overly influenced by the social expectations or values of family or community, past experiences, or beliefs that inhibit the soul's evolution. Wow. Wow, wow, and wow. This is the perfect code to assist us in telling truth from a lie. So here we go. Let's install this code and align with the energy of Walnut Flower Essence. I'd like you to go ahead and ground if you know how to ground. And if you don't know how to ground, you can put your attention on the base of your spine. Down at your tailbone, there's a little energy center down there called the first chakra. And that chakra will help connect you to the planet. The planet's job is to release energy for us and return it to its original owners, which is great. So drop a cable, cord, wire, waterfall from that base of your spine, that first chakra, all the way to the center of the planet and plug it in. And then at the base of your spine, I'd like you to create a switch that says release. And make sure that switch is in the on position. And you can go ahead and command that switch and the grounding cord to release from your space everything that is not yours or that no longer serves you. Everything that's not yours or no longer serves you. And then come up to the center of your head. Create a space behind your eyes, between your ears. This is a place of neutrality. This is where we can be not emotionally attached to the energies that we're releasing. And typically we don't want to be emotionally attached to the energy we're releasing because it puts us into stress. And as soon as you go into stress, you can't release anything. Everything shuts down, including your intuition. So, center of head. And breathe. And now right-handers, left-handers, when we install codes, we have a position we take on so that our body feels like it's involved in the process. So for right-handers, right hand on your heart chakra, left hand in the air as if it's an antenna. It's going to be our receiving hand from the quantum, from the void, from the cosmos, from the ethers, from the universe. And left-handers, switch it. Left hand on your heart chakra, that's the center of your chest. And the right hand goes in the air like your antenna. And now what's going to happen is as I read off this code, I'd like you guys to picture this chunk of numbers, which is an energy, it's a vibration, it's a package of instructions that your body knows what to do with. Imagine that that chunk of energy is coming into your antenna hand, down your arm, across your shoulders, and into your heart chakra through your delivery hand, your dominant hand. And that code will then swirl around your space, being your body and your aura, and align with your version of the code. That code we're bringing in is pure source code. There's no charge on it other than pure source energy. There's no person on it, there's no place on it, there's no thing on it. It is pure source energy. And your frequency that matches that is probably a bit out of balance. So the process is that code we bring in will entrain with or latch onto our version of the code and then bring it up to full power in our space. And then hopefully the codes that surround it will also start being brought up to full power. At least that's the theory, and that's what I've found happens. So here we go. It's a little mantra I'm going to say, and then we'll go ahead and install this code. So assume the position, right hand, left hand. Make sure you're still grounded. Make sure you're in the center of your head. We ask for, accept, and align with this Anahata code. It's with gratitude we accept the assisting frequency for the walnut flower essence. 742986, 742986, 742986, 742986, 742986, 742986. One more. 742986. And then both hands on your heart chakra and be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Woo! That was a good one. To better understand what's going on with these codes, I encourage you to watch my February 2019 monthly presentation, How the Codes Work, right here on YouTube. And please subscribe to this channel. Also, check out my YourEnergyRx.com Code Carriers Facebook group for even more codes. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy this month's code. And remember, there's a code for that. See ya. Bye.